Here are the top 5 meme coins that you need to buy in September, especially before October, because crypto is starting to warm up again and the meme coin rush is just about to get started. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan. Today, we're talking about top 5 cryptocurrencies you absolutely need to load up on. As the markets are heating up, we're seeing a 1% gain across the board. Fear and Greed Index at 50, looking solid. In terms of the trending tab, guys, the meme coins are trending again, but Bitcoin trending as well. Bitcoin sitting just under $63,000. Meme coin mania is just about to begin, and here's some of the top meme coins you want to buy this bull run. And they're not necessarily the top meme coins in terms of market cap, guys. These are just my choices for what I think you're going to see the highest possible gains. And the first project on the list is Turbo. Now, Turbo is a meme coin, guys, that was started with using AI, and this meme coin has been taken over and grown a massive community. We can see most profitable meme coins to buy in 2024, and what do we see? Turbo is on that list at number 7. Very, very bullish, right? Not just that, guys, this token was literally started from AI with a $69 budget, and now has amassed over $388 million worth of market cap, and we're anticipating to see this have a $1 billion market cap in the peak of the market, if not higher. On the week, we're up a whopping 44% since the Binance listing, but a pullback was anticipated, and that's what we're seeing going on. That's why we're down about 2%, and it could potentially be a great striking opportunity. If you're bullish on AI/meme coins, you're gonna absolutely love Turbo, and you may want to load up a bag. Next token on the list is a token that's currently still in pre-sale, and that is Pepe Unchained. If you're subscribed to the channel for a while now, you'll know I've been pumping this project because I believe so much in it. I've been pumping this since it had less than $300,000 raised, and now it's sitting at $14.2 million raise. This is going to be absolutely insane when it goes live. Easy $100 million market cap after it goes live. Again, obviously not financial advice. But what is this project? It's Pepe Unchained. You're early to the party. Buy down, stake during pre-sale to max out before the prices skyrocket. Now, guys, the current rewards are offering is 146% AP. It's better speeds, better gains, but same delicious Pepe flavor. So Pepe Unchained, the future of meme coins, a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course, memes. The Pepe token is going to power the entire ecosystem. So you're early enough to witness a new golden era of meme coins with Pepe in its rightful place as king and Pepe Unchained layer 2 his kingdom. Looking very, very bullish. Again, $14.2 million raised is no joke. And again, if you buy it before this timer runs out, you're gonna buy at a lower price because they are raising the price in 1 day in 14 hours. All right, next token on the list is Baby Dogecoin. This may be a super solid opportunity to buy because just 11 hours ago, Baby Doge did a massive burn. They burned a total of $2.1 million worth of Baby Doge token, and now it's been listed on Binance, is pumping like crazy. However, the prices have had a pullback. We're down about 12%. We go on the 1 week, guys, and we're still up 28%, but a lot of the gains we made post Binance listing have been lost, and this was anticipated because people have been holding Baby Doge since last bull run. So as soon as people saw pump, they paper handed and sold, which is great. It was a great shakeout. I think it's going to continue to pump, and this could be a solid time to load up, especially between the buybacks and burns they're doing, the community this has built, and after getting a Binance listing after 3 years of waiting, I think this project has crazy upside potential, and you're going to want to load up your bag. So take a look at Baby Doge token. All right, next token on the list is another pre-sale token, and this is MemeBets Casino. So online casino style pre-sale gem that's going crazy. Buy and bet MemeBets for airdrop rewards. And 7 hours they're raising their price as well, just under $260,000 raised. So again, getting in very early. We can also see a regional supporter of Argentina's national football team, which is pretty bullish. What is this project? It's MemeBets token, the casino for meme degens. So MemeBets is launching a MemeBet casino, and the only web and telegram casino where you can wager with meme coins, buy MemeBets to earn massive play, to earn airdrops and special degen rewards for exclusive VIP benefits. So in this case, guys, in this specific casino, you're gonna be able to wager your favorite meme coins. So deposit and play with your favorite meme coins in MemeBets Casino. Whether you're a Pep holder or a Doge OG, you'll be able to deposit and play with your meme coins, which is absolutely insane, very unique, and I anticipate this to blow up. Now, why should you buy MemeBets coin though? Well, here's the thing. Get reward for playing in the casino with your own play to earn wager benefits. The more you wager, the more you can earn. And again, special MemeBet holders will unlock exclusive bonuses and challenges within the MemeBet casino. So load up on MemeBets token now at the best possible price in our pre-sale. So if you load up at the best possible price during the pre-sale, and when this puppy pumps, it is going to be a crazy bag for you. So you want to land up on MemeBets, I'm gonna link this in the description below as pre-sales go pretty crazy. Now the next token on the list is Nero. This token was also listed on Binance just a couple of days ago, and it's having a pullback, which is also anticipated, down about 7%. On the week, we're up a whopping 2,200%. So anticipate a little bit more pullbacks before you load into Nero. Now looking at this as well, remember we looked at this earlier, the most profitable meme coins of 2024, Nero sitting at number 1, especially with a 2,000% surge, guys. Anyone who's holding over here is laughing their way to the bank right now, especially the people who sold at the top. But here's the thing, I think we are going to see a little bit more of a correction and another bounce off. With 82% sentiment bullish and 80% bearish, I'm pretty bullish on this project for the long term. $3.56 million in market cap, ranking 210. This could easily be a top meme coin in the space and have a market cap in the billions. So again, very bullish on these top 5 meme coins. Now guys, that is my personal top 5 list. Let me know what you think about my list in the comments section below. Do you agree? Do you disagree? What tokens would you swap out instead? Now guys, remember, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That wraps the video. Until next time, it is your friend Umar. Peace.